I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new recipe and it is a chicken, I'm calling it Chicken Devine. It is a recipe that I'm adapting from one I saw online. Hers called for less chicken, less cheese, and calls for broccoli, but my family won't eat it, although I love broccoli. So I'm gonna make this and call it Chicken Devine. So I hope you'll enjoy it and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. With this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of cooked chicken. I'm using some leftover baked chicken that I have. 3 cups of cooked white rice. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. 1 cup of chicken broth. Half a cup of whole milk. 2 cups of cheese, any kind you like. I'm using Colby Jack. And about ½ a cup of grated parm and Ritz Crackers. And you'll also need salt and pepper, about ½ teaspoon each or to taste. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees and I'm greasing my casserole dish. It'll be about a 2-quart in size. Now to a bowl, you want to add your cream of chicken soup. You want to add your chicken broth, your milk. Stir that really well. Add in your salt and pepper. And then you want to add in your rice and your chicken. Now you want to pour it into your greased casserole dish, and you want to top it with your cheese and your crackers. I used about 1 sleeve of crackers. Now you want to cover your casserole and bake it for 25 minutes. And once it's baked, for the 25 minutes, you want to remove the cover and bake it for 10 more minutes. And it should be all bubbly and good looking when it comes out. Just like it looks here. It was really good. It was just a nice, simple chicken and rice casserole. Comfort food, easy to make. We really enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.